today we are going to give you a quick in-service on how to utilize this little portable anesthesia machine. So this is Victor Quintero, and he is going to take you through the process.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. First thing you probably want to do is remove the oxygen connection on the wall. Push the button, comes out. Connect the O2 hose to the oxygen. Simple enough. All right. Next thing you like to do is turn on the switch, the on position. That should have oxygen through the system. At this point, you can check it with turning your O2, and voila, we have oxygen. If the H tanks would ever fail, we have a small cylinder tank over here to the side, which we could reconnect this hose to the cylinder tank, and we have brand new tools right here to do that. Now, to check your system, you would do it just like any other way. This flip thing should be on manual, since this machine does not have any bellows, so everything here is going to be spontaneous respirations.
And you can also notice that it looks like a balloon.
So it would be the manual switch would be in the down position. I take off the mask, go to my pop-off valve, which is over here where this blue hose is attached to, and turn it to the right to close off the pop-off valve. I put my hand over the circuit and I push the O2 flush button next to the vaporizer and wait for my bag and circuit to fill. Make sure that my bag, let's just say, has a good integrity to it. Squeeze, 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 nothing good. Let the air out. So we're good to go there, or we can let the air out with the pop-off valve. Turn it to the left. At this point, there's not much else to do it.
Well, you're going to check your vaporizer and show them how to turn the vaporizer on.
Okay, the vaporizer is very, very simple. It's a SIVO vaporizer, so it's only one vaporizer. You push in the knob and you turn it. Cut. Why doesn't it want to work? Did you do something, Steve?
No. Here, hold.
There we go.
There you go.
Push in. I'm
Technically difficult.
push in all the way and turn, obviously. Let's check it. Woo!
Okay, so then the last thing would be the soda lime
The soda lime.
and the scavenge.
The soda lime is your basic soda lime. It should be good for a long, long time, since we really don't do too many general anesthetics here with this machine. And the scavenging unit is this little gadget here, and I can't remember what they have in this thing, but
It's got some kind of charcoal that neutralizes the scavenge gas.
so that's scavenging, soda lime, bag, pop-off valve, oxygen, flush valve, vaporizer. Insert your tube, insert your LMA, connect it, O2, gas, you're good to go.
No nitrous.
No nitrous.
And if you undo this, would you go down here or here? If you had to empty it for some reason.
To empty this vaporizer, you would
You mean the carbon dioxide? Yeah, soda lime.
disconnect here. This thing screws off. Don't worry about it. You won't have to do this, but it's in the video.
Okay.
So this just basically squeezes on here with brute force. And our T-piece goes here. More than likely, if this soda lime needs to be changed, I'll be the one doing it. And we're good to go. Again, if you do something like that, you would check your circuit again. Make sure that there's no leaks. Again, close off your pop-off valve. Again, push the flush button. And it looks like we have a good seal. Another thing that I might have forgotten to mention is the end-tidal CO2 tube connects to the side of our monitor in that position there. and that turns on. It's a basic monitor.
So, Victor, how would you
Wait a minute.
leave for the day when you were deciding to shut it off and go home?
Prior to turning this machine off, it's best to put the switch on the off button and then disconnect the O2 hose from the wall. It does make a squeal for 45 seconds, which is kind of obnoxious, but that's the appropriate way to disconnect this machine, is to turn it off and then disconnect the hose, instead of the Filipino way, which he just turns it off and walks out.
Okay. And there endeth the lesson.